My name is Tim, and I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Electronic and Computer Engineering at Griffith University. I became interested in engineering through DIY electronics, so playing with Arduinos and building my own little circuits. So I had a job doing electronics assembly, but didn't want to be just building other people's stuff all the time, so I wanted to be designing things, and so I'm here to learn to design things. I entered into Griffith by applying through QTAC, and being not straight out of school, the process was a little different, but yeah, nice and straightforward. Electronic and computer engineering for me is designing circuits and then using code to then augment those and make something that's interesting or can fulfill a purpose. I enjoy the location being in the bush, just kind of away from everything else, and the lecturers are great, really approachable, and the lab facilities are great. The scopes are very nice, and certainly better than I could afford if I was anywhere else. As for clubs and committees that I'm part of, I'm currently the president of GRU, which is the electronics club on campus, and so with that, kind of helping first years along with what they're doing, and playing with cool toys like the robot and time in the lab. So if we need extra time to work on something, we can do that, or it's a way of having another practical element, which is I find really helpful. When I graduate, I'd like to get into designing audio equipment and gear or synthesizers or something to do with music, because audio is another passion of mine. So one of the things I've built is a digital saxophone. So you can press the keys down and blow into it, and it outputs the note over MIDI, and then I can control synthesizers and hardware instruments with that. It's running off an Arduino, which is a small microprocessor, and I built a shield so that I can add other instruments to it. So I built a MIDI drum kit and other controllers and different stuff like that. Would be nice of Tim Roberts designed instruments.
Yeah.
So.